How many of you know types of trends in stock market? And how many of you are ready to learn the trends in stock market? So basically, there are three trends in stock market. In charts, basically, the sideways trend, a uptrend, and a downtrend. Let us see one by one. So when the trend is sideways, nothing happens. Okay, like you see, when the trend is going sideways, there is no substantial action. Okay, so price is not neither moving uptrend or downtrend, it is moving in a range. Okay, and some of the stocks are sideways for years and years, like this stock, okay, which was sideways for quite some time. Okay, so the price moves in a range. Okay, if you precisely, and you could precisely see the boundaries of the movement. Okay, so that's how the sideways trend is. There's another sideways trend here. Okay, you able to spot this? Okay, so price was clearly moving in a range, and for how much time it was moving in a range? So almost from 2010 to for almost 10 years. Okay, so there are trends. So this is a higher time frame, monthly time frame. Similar sideways zones you can mark in any of the time frame, like you can see here also. Okay, so price was moving in a range for some time before it broke out of a range. Okay, so try to find such trends. We'll see some more examples. Like this. Yeah, so can you see a sideways range here? Right, okay, so imagine you bought here in 2006 this Reliance at 108 rupees, and you have seen a profit of say 300 rupees. It's almost a double. And in 2016, after your entry at 100 odd rupees, and even after 11 years the price is in the range, you are seeing the profits and losses in your portfolio for 10 years almost before it could actually broke out. So this is a sideways is very a frustration zone for traders and investors too. So be mindful and check whether you are in a range or not. because when the sideways is broken, then the trend turns into an uptrend or downtrend. So here it is an uptrend after a sideways trend. Okay, so in an uptrend, price moves in a okay, it has broken the sideways trend in an uptrend and price is moving up. Okay, so what is an uptrend? So something which is called as a Dow theory. Okay, so in an uptrend, what Dow theory says is price moves in higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so can you see here, we may switch to a line chart, which is a closing line, to see the closing prices. So you can clearly see the price is moving in after this trend. So this was the first higher high, and price made a low which is higher than this. So this is a higher low. Okay, similarly, what is this? This high is again above this, so it is a higher high, and the next low is higher than this, so it is a higher low. Okay, so likewise you can find out a trend. So this is again a higher high, and this is a higher low compared to previous low. Okay, and again price moves in a higher high and higher low. So you'll find, so those are the stocks. Okay, the Ghoda stocks, or the stocks which are in uptrend for years, so they are continuously doing higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so check for any stocks. Okay, like this. So this stock is moving in an uptrend, and you can clearly see an uptrend here. So price is moving in, doing higher highs and higher lows continuously. Yes, so this is an higher high, equal low, equal high, higher low compared to this, and again a higher high, higher low. Okay, then some sort of a range, then higher high, still a higher low, then a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is a clear uptrend. Okay, so So now I hope the uptrend is clear. Now let us see a downtrend. So how the downtrend look like? So in downtrend, like we have seen in a Dow theory, price moves in uptrend, price does higher high, higher lows. So similarly in downtrend, when we are in downtrend, price moves and does lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so what happened to this stock? So it was in uptrend after 2016, so it was doing higher high, higher lows. Okay, till this point. Okay, and after this it has started making lower high, first lower high compared to this. Sorry, this was a lower low compared to this, and this is a lower high, then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high compared to this, and price falls further, making a new low. So this is a clear downtrend. Okay, so price is moving down. Okay, so in one example we'll see. So this is a clear uptrend, price is moving up. Okay, this is a clear uptrend, price is moving up and making higher highs and higher lows, and this is a clear downtrend where price is moving down, making lower highs and lower lows. I hope this is clear. If this is clear to all of you, kindly study your own charts, mark the trends and share in comment. Okay, you will be able to find the uptrend and downtrend and a sideways trend in a stock. So here also the price was moving in a range, so we call this a sideways trend, right? So you will see, so we are still on a weekly time frame, so you can see such trends as we move to any of the lower time frame. So there are trends within. Okay, so here also in this part you will able to see and spot the trend. Okay, so this is a clear uptrend where the price is making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so it's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so price is an uptrend and it is doing higher highs and higher lows. Okay, then it had made some lows, so for some time the trend was making a the stock was making a lower high, lower low till this point when it had made a first higher low, and then it resumed its upward journey aligning with the previous movement. which was uptrend. Okay, likewise I want you to study any random charts, and if you are new, if you don't know, you can just focus on Nifty 50 charts for now and mark the trends, and remember, trend is your friend. Okay, if you have any doubts, any questions, please post in a chat box. Please comment on the video. Thank you.